Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to unhide apps on your Samsung phone in easy steps and just in seconds. So first, after you unlock your phone, you just long press on any place in your screen, then you will find on the bottom right the settings option, you click on that, then you will see this page, home screen settings, you scroll down and you will find hide apps on home and app screens, you click on that. Then on the top you will find your hidden apps, and as you can see, for me, for example, I have two hidden apps. If I want to unhide, I just simply click on the minus button here, and if you don't want to press that, as you can see here in all apps, for example, I have this application selected as hidden app, I just unselect that one and that's it. After that, I just click on done and finish. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like the video.